Hello students, I am Suvarna Shetty from FE department. This is YOE. Today we are going to learn to draw star phasor diagram. We know the relation for the star phasor diagram, that is VL bar is equal to VRY bar, VYB bar and VBR bar. Similarly, VRY bar is equal to VYB bar, VBR bar, and also for phase voltage, line voltage is equal to phase voltage. One more relation important, VRY bar is equal to VR bar minus VY bar. Similarly for VYB bar and VBR bar. These relations we got from the circuit diagram, phasor addition or vector addition. Now to draw the phasor diagram, we considering here the phase length 5 cm, current length 3 cm, load R plus JXL and phi is equal to 20 degree. As the impedance is R plus JXL, that is current lag to voltage, that angle we consider the 20 degree. You can consider any length. First step, draw the phase voltage having phase difference 120 degree. In star connection, phase voltage VR, VY, VB, phase difference is 120 degree. I have considered here the length 5 cm, VR 5 cm, VY 5 cm, VB. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, draw the phase current. As we have considered the impedance Z is equal to R plus JXL, so current lag to voltage. So I have drawn here the current, phase current. In a star system, phase current is equal to line current. Now this is the first phase current IR, angle phi that I have considered a 20 degree. Similarly, second IY current, IY lag to VY by an angle phi, IB lag to VB by an angle phi. So these are the three phase current having phase difference between them, that is again the 120 degree. This is the second step. Now in a phasor diagram we have shown phase voltage, phase current and line current. Now only the line voltage is remaining, that we have to draw here line voltage. To draw the line voltage, as we know the relation for line voltage, VRY bar is equal to VR bar minus VY bar. VR is a positive and VY is a negative. So to draw the negative, we are extending VY in opposite direction exact 5 cm. It represents the minus VY. Now the resultant of minus VY and VR will get the VRY. Now how to draw the resultant? How to find out the resultant? By drawing the parallelogram. Okay, to draw the parallelogram of VR and VY. In this way, draw the parallelogram of VR and minus VY. Then draw the resultant. See the resultant drawn here. That resultant represent the line voltage VRY. Measure this angle between the phase voltage and line voltage. It should be 30 degree. 30 डिग्री आना चाहिए. ओके. Similarly, draw the phasor diagram for VYB, that is VY plus and minus VB, VBR, VB plus minus VR. After that, draw the perpendicular from phase voltage to line voltage. From phase voltage to line voltage. Perpendicular. After drawing the perpendicular, it divides in two equal part. It represent VL by 2. Now this is the 30 degree angle. This is the V phase, VL by 2. Then from this triangle we can write cos 30 is equal to VL by 2 upon V phase. Now the cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to VL by 2 upon V phase. So we are getting the relation VL is equal to root 3 V phase. So this is the complete phasor diagram of star connected system. So this is the complete phasor diagram of star connected system. In this way you have to draw the phasor diagram in your exam. Okay.